OAS has shown its capacity in engineering and infrastructure all over Brazil and in 20 overseas countries since 1976. It is the largest private company in Latin America in this sector. The integration between the companies allows the OAS to act in synergy to achieve sustainable growth and generate jobs, income, and development in Brazil and abroad. This synergy is highlighted with two fronts, the OAS Engenharia S.A. and OAS Investimentos S.A. OAS Engenharia performs heavy civil construction works in the public and private sectors, providing its customers with innovative engineering solutions, cutting-edge technology, quality execution, and timeliness of their projects. Examples of innovative projects are the Linha Amarela in Rio de Janeiro, first public-private partnership in Brazil; Octávio Frias de Oliveira Bridge, first work finance from CEPAC, Certificate of Additional Construction Potential; Project Grêmio, one integrated financing solution involving stadium construction, operation, and management of the arena. In addition to real estate development in and around the Maravilha Port project in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil's first urban concession. With the provision of services in the oil and gas sector, OAS Engenharia constructs onshore refineries, petrochemicals, logistics terminals, pipelines, and GLP ducts, and production platforms and ship probe platforms offshore. In the energy sector, OAS performs in the hydroelectric and thermal gas and nuclear electricity production. In infrastructure, it builds highways, subways, tramways, dams, aqueducts, tunnels, bridges, ports, airports, sports complexes and buildings. It is also present in the defense area. With a significant presence in the international market, OAS is present in South America, Central America, and in the Caribbean. And Africa. Overcoming barriers and promoting economic and social development wherever it operates. The OAS Investimentos focuses on managing investments in infrastructure projects such as multi-purpose arenas, real estate development, environmental solutions, oil and gas, subways, highways, and airports operations. OAS Group is composed of the following companies: OAS Empreendimentos, OAS Arenas, OAS Óleo e Gás, OAS Soluções Ambientais, Invepar, Porto Novo, and Enseada Indústria Naval. OAS Empreendimentos has partnered with FUNCEF, Federal Savings Foundation, and develops real estate projects focusing on innovative residential and commercial projects ranging from luxury condominiums to affordable products. Its characteristic is to create projects that provide quality of life for residents and opportunities for investors. OAS Arenas is responsible for management of multi-purpose arenas that are already part of the global sports scene, including participation in events like the World Cup and Olympics. They are Arena do Grêmio em Porto Alegre, Itaipava Arena Fonte Nova em Salvador and Arena das Dunas em Natal. Designed to meet a demand that goes far beyond the football games, the multipurpose arenas today represent milestones of socio-economic development for sports clubs, municipalities, communities, and brands. The projects are planned and managed in order to meet the expectations of each of these pillars of business, covering social, environmental, economic, and promotional aspects involved in the process. Therefore, the work of OAS Arenas begins long before the architectural design and continues beyond the inauguration of the project. The objective is to generate viable, successful, and sustainable business, not just for the sports scenario in Brazil, but also for events in general. OAS Óleo e Gás, a joint venture company with FGTS, was created to concentrate investments in the oil and gas sector. It covers the activities of charter and operation of drilling ships, FPSO, and logistical support. In 2012, OAS Óleo e Gás was awarded a 15-year major contract with Petrobras for the charter and operation of 5 drilling ships. Its shipyard, Enseada, in Maragogi, Bahia, in which will be built 2 of the first 5 drilling ships of OAS Óleo e Gás. OAS Soluções Ambientais is the business arm of the OAS Investimentos, created with the aim of concentrating all of OAS environmental solutions projects for the public and private sectors, providing efficient and sustainable alternatives for water supply, sewerage, and environmental management of industrial waste. The OAS Soluções Ambientais brings the experience acquired by OAS in public service concessions to major operators in the sector in Brazil and abroad. With a mission to become one of the largest private players in the sector in Brazil, OAS Soluções Ambientais has 2 important assets. The SAMAR project, which holds the full concession of water and sewage services in Araçatuba in São Paulo, serving more than 180,000 users. And EPASA, water distribution company that provides more than 48 million cubic meters of water per year to the city of Lima, Peru, benefiting more than 8 million users. Invepar is a company engaged in the transportation infrastructure market in Brazil and abroad, focusing on highways, subways, airports, and urban roads, seeking the best solutions in the integration of the resources. Thus, it became one of the fastest-growing companies in the industry. Its shareholders are Welfare Fund for Employees of Banco do Brasil, Previ, Petrobras Social Security Foundation, Petrus, the Federal Savings Foundation, FUNCEF, and OAS. Invepar has as a trademark the high quality of its services, improvement of results, and environmental responsibility in the management of the Alto Raposo Tavares, CART, Litoral Norte, CLN, Linha Amarela, LAMSA, Metrô do Rio de Janeiro, Metrô Rio, Bahia Norte, CBN, Rio Teresópolis, CRT, Rota do Atlântico, CRA, Via Parque Rímac, Peru, São Paulo International Airport, GRU Airport, Via Rio, VLT Carioca, and more recently, the granting of BR-040 highway. OAS has sustainability as its main objective. With an integrated and consolidated company policy, OAS promotes well-being and improves the quality of life of its employees and neighboring communities through their projects, developing activities related to the culture, sports, and education. The OAS school improves the qualification of the workforce, offering elementary and professional development courses. The evolution of the employee enhances social values, their professional qualification, and therefore generating new opportunities and new perspectives on life. In addition, the entire program teaches environment preservation, always with the goal of running projects with the least environmental impact, encouraging recycling and reuse. OAS, a company with solid values, which acts in synergy, always working towards surpassing the expectation of its clients by providing services that promote social, environmental, and economic sustainability. OAS.